Unlocking English. Mastering the with unique objects and places. Hello there, English explorers. Today, we are going to delve into an exciting aspect of English grammar, the definite article, the. But we're not going to talk about just any usage of the. We'll focus on how to use the with unique objects and places. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. The definite article, the, is one of the most frequently used words in English. We use it when we believe the listener knows the identity of the noun we are talking about because it is obvious, because it is common knowledge, or because we mentioned it before. So, let's look at how the works with unique objects and places. When we say unique objects, we are referring to things that only exist once in the world or our immediate environment. For example, the moon, or the sun. There's only one moon and one sun that we all share, so we use the when referring to them. In your immediate environment, you might say, "Can you turn off the light?" since there's likely only one light in the room. Similarly, we use the when talking about specific or unique geographical areas, rivers, mountain ranges, groups of islands, canals, and oceans. For example, we say, the Sahara Desert, the Nile River, the Rocky Mountains, the Canary Islands, the Suez Canal, and the Atlantic Ocean. These are all unique places, so we need to use the before them. However, there are exceptions. With countries, we usually don't use the unless the country's name suggests that it's made up of different parts or states, like the United States or the United Arab Emirates. Moreover, we don't use the with cities, streets, or individual islands. For instance, we say Paris, not the Paris, Main Street, not the Main Street, and Bali, not the Bali. So, that's all for today, folks. Remember, using the correctly with unique objects and places is key to sounding natural in English. Keep practicing these rules and you'll master the use of the in no time. As always, happy learning and stay curious about English. We'll see you in our next video, exploring more about the wonderful world of English grammar.